welcome to another episode of CRM, One Idea, Thousands of Possibilities. My name is Mikołaj Kosakowski from eVolpe Consulting Group, and today we will talk about Sugar implementation in Deutsche Telefon in Germany. We are going to talk about the reasons why Deutsche Telefon has chosen Sugar and what they gain by doing so. I'm joined by a very special guest, Mr. Drazen Raguz. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Drazen is a sales specialist from SugarCRM company. And okay, so we can start.
Okay.
Okay, first question. You have implemented Sugar in Deutsche Telefon quite a while ago. Can you tell me what challenges with the sales management Deutsche Telefon had before the implementation?
Well, the Deutsche Telefon has a lot of issues with self-developed solutions where the architect was not in the house anymore. It was very bad documented what they have done, and it was just a natural cost that the solution caused a lot of data silos. So a lot of information of the customer, like last actions, what kind of communication or what in general has been communicated, was pretty not known in this organization. So they decided to look out for a system that shows them, that avoids data silos and combines all the communication and customer activities in one system.
Yeah, okay. What were the reasons for choosing Sugar?
Well, during our presentation, the decision makers of Deutsche Telefon recognized the possibilities they have with Sugar, and also the possibilities to adapt it to their current ecosystem. They try to get rid of a lot of their old systems, but not nearby everything. Especially their telephone system should be adopted to SugarCRM, and we and the partner showed them the possibilities of re-energizing all this customer data in one unique system.
Yeah, because Sugar is open source, so you can do pretty much everything with it.
Much
right?
everything,
The
exactly.
flexibility of this, this tool is extraordinary.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, which Sugar additions have they chosen?
They chose the Enterprise, which is our, say, capital edition, because they're a telephone service provider and they have different products which they offer to their customer base. And so they also needed an overview and reporting and forecast about the products, how they're running and where they're standing with their current customers. Okay. That's why they chose Enterprise edition.
Yeah. What type of implementing methodology was chosen?
For this particular customer, the partner of our choice chose the Agile implementation systems, which shows pretty effective at this customer side.
Great.
Yeah.
And well, the next question will touch a couple of issues. I mean, what are the effects of Sugar implementation? By saying that, I would like to ask, what Deutsche Telefon gain from implementing that exact tool, and if there was any like particular dedicated modules done for them.
Yeah. Well, first of all, what Telefon Standard gained is exactly the complete view on the customer with all the necessary data, which is pretty important to do the next logical steps on the customer, the next logical action, the callback or whatever it is, and avoided the silos that caused pretty strange reactions by customers because the employees were not aware of this whole customer activities in the past. And they recognized for themselves that the user adoption of their employees for the CRM increased by nearly 60–70%. And they measured these activities by monitoring them, how they use the CRM, and it's got a really heavy increase. And how our boss used to say, if you care about your employees, they will care good about your customers.
Yeah, I think it pretty much applies to every company.
Yeah, exactly. So more or less the module that have been done to Deutsche Telefon is a billing module and an invoicing module, which allows them instantly after the chat to create quotes, invoices, and also billings.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really great.
And what is the greatest advantage of implementing Sugar for Deutsche Telefon?
The advantage they now have, they can use now the systems for another 5 or 10 years
Yeah.
because it's so flexible, it's so customizable. The workflow process author in the enterprise version they have chosen allows them to set up even new processes, even if their business module is going to change in the next couple of years. So they don't have to, export, import data and choose another systems because we are outdated. I don't think that Sugar can be outdated in the next couple of years.
Well, yeah, so Sugar will grow with the company,
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
Well, yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching this episode of SugarCRM, One Idea, Thousands of Possibilities. If you would like to know more about our company and about what we do, please visit eVolpe.com. Thank you very much.